Hello everyone. Here we are exploring new trend and giving a detailed overview for the same. Let's add a new dimension to your UI. 3D UI trend. Welcome to We judge, we teach, we make it fun. While exploring this trend, we were mind blown by the possibilities it brings in the UI just by adding Z-axis to the frame. Oh my god! Wow! By stretching the canvas and creating everything in 3D, it becomes easier to also add motion to the final project. The 3D view of the product makes it much more dependable and easier to sell. Like this fridge, which is more than your normal household one but explained very well in the storytelling of the website. Look at the beauty. It's easier to sell if you know all the angles, especially when it's premium like this jewel. Not just that, we are also taking you through the workflows and product specifications. If you didn't get it, maybe try being intelligent for once. Stop being a dildo, dodo. Let's begin the game of judgments. Being super versatile as it fits a lot of different use cases like product, solution, gaming, e-commerce, food. Why we give it an ace of all title. By adding micro interactions and animation, especially the entire process, it's super intuitive and solves the purpose of UX visually. A great fit for mascot character-based website to gain attention. Like in this use case, music and mascot gains the attention of kindergarten audiences. Also, due to depth of field and custom 3D elements, the accessibility boosts and the elements can be handcrafted to fit the use case. Let us also look at the downsides. Too much work. Similar results can be achieved by simplifying the illustrations, but nothing is as attractive as close to 3D rendering. Most of the time, a UI designer is not well versed with 3D software. This increases the dependability and scope, which eventually reflects on the timelines of the project. We would rate it wow. We believe this trend will eventually cater to more simplified and quick 3D tools for designers. And with the 3D elements, this will keep on enhancing the user experience in most of the use cases. Here are some of our favorites so far. Also, thanks to Tubic Studios for inspiring us and giving us insights for creating this video. So a quick reminder to like this page for good design's sake. If you liked our channel, please subscribe, post your opinions for this trend in the comment section below. Be judgmental, stay judgmental, and don't forget to press the bell icon.